Vanakkam Aibuan. In the last parliamentary election, one political party named Tamil National People's Front, led by Gajendra Kumar Ponnambala. A candidate from that party made a speech in the election campaign in Tamil as follows. Tamilarin Tagam, Tamililat Thayagam. He said, he's a lawyer from that party. He said in Tamil, Tamilarin Tagam, Tamililat Thayagam. நான் மீண்டும் சொல்கிறேன், தமிழரின் தாகம் தமிழீழ தாயகம். I will put those words in English. He said, Tamil people thirsty is Tamil Ilam. So that message to the people is very clear. The message is this: Tamils want to have a separate state. So he asked the support from the Tamil people in Jaffna to give a mandate to establish a separate state in Sri Lanka. So the political party aim is to divide the country and establish a separate state. This is similar to the purpose of the Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam. Even the greatest leader of the LTTE could not achieve the very purpose of their organization. This lawyer from that Gajendra Kumar Ponnambalam party publicly, openly stated in their speech to this effect. So now whether it is allowed in Sri Lanka, we want to see that. So I have to read Article 157A of the Constitution that reads as follows. Yeah, 157A, that is an amendment brought to the Constitution by the 6th Amendment. So that says, no person shall directly or indirectly in or outside Sri Lanka support, promote, finance, encourage or advocate the establishment of a separate state within the territory of Sri Lanka. That is number 1. No political party or other organization shall have one of its aims or objects the establishment of a separate state within the territory of Sri Lanka. Any person, that the other provision says, any person who acts in contravention of these provisions of paragraph 1 shall on conviction by the Court of Appeal after trial on indictment be subject to civil disability for a period of 7 years and be subject to forfeit his immovable or movable property. So even political party cannot do that. Their aim should not be the one to divide the country. That is Constitution. Article 157A. Article 157A provision 4, paragraph 4 says, where any political party or other organization has one of its aim or object the establishment of a separate state within Sri Lanka, any person may make an application to the Supreme Court for a declaration that such political party has one of its aim or objects the establishment of a separate state within the territory of Sri Lanka. The secretary or other officer of such political party shall be made a respondent to such application. This Tamil National People's Alliance made several speeches and brainwashed the Tamil people using these kind of sentimental words, and they got one seat. That is, Mr. Gajendra Kumar Ponnambalam was elected by the Jaffna people. Jaffna district, electoral district means Jaffna district and Kilinochchi district. So he got elected. And one another person, Gajendran, also got the seat through the national list. Now they are two members. These two members, a couple of days ago, went to Mullivaikal, Mullaittivu, and they made another declaration that their aim is to win the self-determination, the rights of the self-determination, North and East merger. So those kind of aims are similar to that of the LTTs. Now, all the Tamil knows that even the LTT's greatest leader, Velupillai Prabhakaran, couldn't achieve the very that purpose of a separate state. So this Gajendra Kumar Ponnambalam can never achieve that. So we are saying that we all are Sri Lankan, there should not be any move to divide the country, and that move will not be supported by any Tamils in Sri Lanka. But there are some people who think that who can be cheated and who was really cheated by these political parties like this. I want to ask a question to the like-minded Sri Lankan, that why you are not aware about this kind of speeches and this kind of legal provisions. Why can't you go to the Supreme Court and get a declaration saying that this political party's aim is to divide the country? The same article 157 A5, the paragraph says, where the Supreme Court makes a declarations under paragraph 4 in relation to any political party or other organization in pursuance of an application made to it under that paragraph, any political party or other organization shall be deemed for all purposes to be prescribed, and any member of such political party who is a member of Parliament shall be deemed to have vacated his seat in Parliament with effect from the date of such declarations. So when a person goes to the Supreme Court under this section 157 A4 and get the declaration from the Supreme Court saying that this Tamil National People's Alliance is a party which aim is to divide the country, then with that declaration from the Supreme Court, these two members can be removed from their membership from the Parliament. Because why I am telling all these things to you, the like-minded Sri Lankan, that the Tamil people should not be cheated again and again and again. Any person who wants the country to be united, undivided, one Sri Lanka, should go to the Supreme Court and get a declaration against this Tamil National People's Alliance. Otherwise, I am prepared to go before the Supreme Court for such declaration because I don't want any political party to cheat the Tamils, and no separate state is possible in Sri Lanka, and that is the message I want to send the political parties such as this Tamil National People's Front. Thank you very much.